The news covered Johnny Depp and Amber Heard extensively, but many believed that everything had cooled down after the trial's verdict. However, it is not how defamation trials work, particularly when a celebrity is involved. Depp suffered massive consequences while the lawsuit was still ongoing, but Heard is still experiencing karma. In this video, we will discuss how miserable Amber's life has become since the trial, so make sure to watch until the end. Hit like and subscribe for more videos like this. Amber Heard is being punished by karma. Some of us have the kind of friends who would rather save us than risk losing us. It appears that Amber Heard has never met a person like that. She and her ex-husband dominated the news for a considerable amount of time, and everyone was talking about them. And Amber had her closest friends by her side throughout this trying moment to encourage her. This was mostly due to the fact that it had not yet been proven that she had engaged in domestic violence. However, as soon as the allegations were confirmed, people began to see her real face. Despite the fact that Depp's life also changed as a result, Heard's life changed negatively. Since then, Johnny has gained popularity, but Amber believes that her situation has gotten progressively worse. And no, we're not making things up. Then her friends turned away from her. The fight that kept the internet busy began with a comprehensive war against fans when the trials exposed her true self to the world. However, a different conflict was also raging between the actors, their friends, and their families. However, it appears that no one is standing by the actress any longer as her legal team tries to fight the judgment in court once more. Fans were aware of this situation when none of her other celebrity friends offered any support. In fact, one could say they disappeared from the scene. Not to mention that the actress reportedly sought support from her Hollywood connections, according to Radar Online. Even outside of Hollywood, she attempted to enlist the aid of famous people, but none of it was successful. Her cries for support have been ignored, and there have also been some reports of acknowledgement of her completion. Although it may seem odd, many expected it. In fact, we think Amber Heard was aware that her network of friends and family would crumble as soon as the verdict was announced, and that's exactly what happened. It's thought to be related to the trial's aftermath. After all, it revealed the side of the head that had previously been hidden. Even if celebrities wanted to support her, they couldn't because of the widespread cancel culture. If these celebrities end up aiding someone who was involved in assaulting her spouse, they risk facing harsh criticism from their fan bases. Moreover, she is currently facing a perjury charge. After the verdict in the Johnny Depp case, everyone wondered if Amber Heard would spend time in jail, but since that case was a civil lawsuit rather than a criminal one, she avoided spending time behind bars. But the problems continued after that. Following the defamation trial, the actress was being looked into for allegedly lying during an investigation into dog smuggling in Australia in 2015. Although the case was previously closed, it was reopened in October 2021, and the tale has since continued. This ultimately implies that she is currently in need of help and support. However, she doesn't seem to be in a favorable situation right now. During Depp's UK libel case in 2020, one of his former employees testified, which is actually the source of the probe. However, with the defamation case, things appeared to have calmed down, when in reality, it was simply the calm before the storm. So yes, the actress is currently involved in a perjury case as well. And this time, if she doesn't look for help, it's highly likely that she will be imprisoned. Not only that, but she currently lives discreetly. The actress has been forced to live in secrecy as a result of the perjury and defamation cases. She is reportedly currently living in Spain without even revealing her own identity, and her daughter Una is also residing with her. According to one of her close sources, she must have found the trial to be draining. Additionally, they mentioned that Heard missed her daughter. and she has been living in Europe for the past few months, which she loves and where she is perfectly equipped to fulfill her role as a mother. Not to mention that she spends every day with her kid right now and is solely focused on her, according to the insider. The two take leisurely strolls, visit parks, and enjoy some family time. She looks like a fantastic mother, but is she really? In addition, she appealed the court's ruling, which is also creating problems. The actress and her legal team declared on December 5 that they will be submitting an appeal of the court's ruling in favor of Johnny Depp in her libel lawsuit, which was brought in the US. They appear to be trying to have a retrial, or at least have the jury's decision overturned, because they believe it will have terrible consequences for the victims of domestic abuse who come forward. They even provided a long written document that contained a summary that claimed that Heard, as the victim in this case, would have to deal with all of these consequences for her assault, and that this would be a discouragement to other women who have suffered domestic abuse in the past. Additionally, the way she is portrayed on social media may have a negative impact on her mental health. She just recently rose to the top spot for internet searches among celebrities, and when certain media outlets published this, a large group of trolls started to target her. The situation would have been quite different if it had been someone else. But Amber has been accused of being a criminal since her high-profile legal dispute with her ex-husband, which was only going to increase her notoriety for the wrong reasons. She had already been the target of trolls, but this latest report thrust her back into the spotlight of hatred. So now, let's see what's in store for her. She is currently in Spain, but using a false identity wouldn't really help her hide from what is going on in her neighborhood. She is in a difficult situation that is not good for her. She can't simply carry on and resume her previous status as a Hollywood diva. Instead, she has gained a lot of notoriety as a criminal now that she has become well known as Amber Heard, the domestic abuser. The actress is preparing to make another court appearance in Fairfax County with the help of her new legal team. The case will be reopened after the appeal if it is granted. We'll all be watching yet another lengthy series of hearings as well as, of course, numerous internet arguments and even fights. We really don't want to see any of it, to be perfectly honest. Do you think Amber deserves her karma? Tell us in the comments. Check out our channel for more videos if you like this one. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and stay updated on our latest videos. Don't forget to hit the like button.